So tomorrow we're climbing Montana Roja, which is that volcano over there. Early start. It's only 6:30 in the morning. That's the moon. The mountain is way up there. Let's see how we go on. Right, so reached the base of the track. The walk up the hill through the town is not that steep, but it's long. It's about 4 kilometres, 4.5 kilometres from the beach. Play a flamingo. So I'm at the first little stopping point. It's about 100 metres or so up. Just take it easy. Some cracking views. And way over there, a little big mountain range. Probably all ex-volcanoes. So, another 100-150 metres up the hill. Mountain, whatever you want to call it. To my right, there's a new construction getting done. I'm assuming it's a new resort. There's nothing in it, it's just debris. And a lot of the dig scrapings and whatever is what I'm climbing up on, because it's been dumped next to the path. Because it's dark, it's hard to see. This is where I'm at. I've still got quite a bit. It's quite sharp. The plan is to try and end up on the plateau at least. I don't need to climb to the point. I just want to go up and see what the views are like for sunset. Sunrise, sorry. I believe that's Coral Echo all the way over there. I'm still waiting for the sun coming up. Hopefully it won't be long. I don't reckon I'll be able to get back. I'm almost at the top of my mountain. Montana Roja, I think it's called. It's the next volcano. On my solo climb. 6:30 in the morning. Just shows us audience don't count this out yet. Still a bit of life in us yet. Right, I need to go and sit down, I need a breath. So, nearly at the top. If I'm quick enough, I might get sunrise, which is over there somewhere. I'm almost at the top, just get that peak to go there, which is maybe a couple of 100 feet, I think. The wind's still up. And there's the start of the resort in Lanzarote. Player. Awesome. Well, I made it. I'm right at the very top. I can't walk across there. It will dip a wee bit and I'll find the volcano basin, which is over there somewhere. And when I say basin, the actual cone part that goes in, I believe it's been filled in. Picking everything up, but yeah, I've made it. I'll follow this path here to the end and I'll try and get Coral Echo. But yeah, I'm happy. I'm not an all fuddy-duddy just yet. So I've been at that little peak, got some pictures and video. No, I'll be honest with these guys, I never thought for a million years I'd be able to climb that, because I'm so unfit and heavy just now. But when you're determined and you take your time, it's amazing what you can do. My wife will probably kill me, but hey, she'll meet me up here soon. I call them my pals. just waiting on the sun coming up. Now reaching the there's Coralicle away over there. There's the main part of Jamaica. And there's a Spanish photographer over there. The sun's still not fully up yet, but there's your volcano crater in there. As you can hear, it's really windy. So you can hear me over that. The wind's still with us. Last night was a supermoon. I'm going to head back to that first peak I was at because I just felt I'd get better views from there. Sun's now starting to come up. It's light, but it's not broke the mountains yet. And a few people have started to arrive. It's a bit nuts. There's a couple behind me. That guy there, a couple of French people over there, some people over there somewhere. And then we've got the moon and the volcano. Yeah. Oh, we need the sun. Where are you? So Tommy, Chick and Pam are on that route there somewhere, heading up just now. Now once you get up to that kind of point in the middle there, it starts to flatten out and then it gets a bit rough when you come to this point. And saying that, I was doing it in the dark, so that's why it probably became rough, because you just can't see it. But they'll be here shortly. It should be good. And I made it. The original video was taken away down there somewhere. Sun's trying to break through just over here somewhere. It's a bit misty or cloudy, I'm not sure what it is. Here it comes. The wind's still up. If we go this way, we have the start of a brand new day. So I'm now inside the volcano. I'm heading down there. I've been joined by one of my mates and my wife, who gave me a lecture about climbing in the dark, but hey, these things happen, don't they? We were up there a few minutes ago and got pictures. We've walked around the entire crater, so now it's time to go inside. So you can see somebody's been spelling out, some people, spelling out names all over the place. You can actually see them from up high.
What is that? A bit of root?
I'm now in the centre of the crater. The descent starts. We head back down into civilization.